Welcome to Brainfeed Magazine. In this story, you will learn how greed can lead to the loss of valuable blessings and happiness. Let's get started. Long back in an Indian village lived Sattu, a kind woodcutter. Every day, he worked hard chopping wood to support his family. One day, he ventured deep into the forest in search of better wood. As dusk fell, Sattu's wife grew worried. Where could he be? She murmured, pacing by the door. In the forest, Sattu heard laughter nearby and looked up to see four beautiful, fairy-like girls dancing in a clearing. "Who are you?" he asked, captivated. One fairy replied, "We could ask you the same." "I'm a poor woodcutter, gathering wood for my family," he explained. "Stay with us," said another fairy. "We can take care of your family better than you can." "Will they be well cared for?" he asked hesitantly. "Of course, and you can feast from our magic pitcher as much as you like," they promised. Sattu agreed and, for days, enjoyed endless meals from the pitcher. But soon, he missed his family. "I must return home," he told the fairies. They sighed, "Very well, take a gift, but choose wisely." "The magic pitcher," he said instantly. The fairies warned, "It's fragile, you may regret it." But Sattu insisted, and with the pitcher hidden, he returned home, explaining to his family that he'd lost his way in the forest. Sattu brought home delicious food every day from the pitcher, and whenever asked about it, he said he brought it from the jungle. Months passed like this, and one evening, after drinking too much, Sattu boasted, "I'll show you where all our food comes from." But in his clumsiness, he dropped the pitcher, and it shattered. "No," he cried, falling to his knees as his family looked on in shock. Realizing his selfishness, Sattu understood he had lost everything due to his greed. That brings us to the end of the story. Here you learned. True happiness lies in sharing and being honest with those you love.